Today I'm going to talk with you about a new launch product. But before talking, can you guess which product is missing on my face? If you have guessed, let me know in the comment section. Now we'll move towards the video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now from the initial intro, you all must have been in a puzzle that which product today I'm going to talk about. Yes, this is a continuation product from blueheaven and range. It is their sculpt and set brow gel. I know there are a lot of reviews already up, but I have got this product. I have already told you I have collected the full collection, that is I have got my hands on the whole collection. So this was the product which was remaining and I never wanted to include in any of the video. I wanted to make a separate videos for each and every product, so that if someone is here only for a specific product, they can just go towards that particular product video and they can watch the video. That is why this is the separate individual video for this. It says now we'll talk about the blueheaven, that is the product itself, the outer covering. It says blueheaven sculpt and set brow gel with vitamin B5, beeswax and fibers on one side. On the second side it says get sculpted eyebrows with this creamy non-clumping eyebrow gel. Okay, now there are basically few of the key features, or maybe you can say key important important thing which you need to keep in mind while getting this particular product is it has brow enhancing fibers, water resistant, vitamin B5, strengthens the brow hair. That is what is mentioned on the second side. On the third side they say all the brief information about the MRP, expiry, manufacturing and everything. This particular product comes in two different shades, one is brown and one is grey. The shade which I have is brown, as I told you. It says one second, it says here brown. Okay, it says brown, right? So another shade is grey. Suppose if your brow hair, or maybe if your hair is leaning towards grey, then you can go for the grey shade. But my brow hair and my hair goes towards brown, so I generally purchase brown eyebrow products only, because that seems to be natural. So that is two shades available. The MRP of this particular product is 250 rupees, but you all know you get this product on very good discounts on Purple. I got this product from Purple and this is purchased product, not sponsored, right? And this retails for 250, as I said. It has 8 grams of product in this. This contains 8 grams. The manufacturing is January 21 and it is good for 24 months. The expiry is in January 24. So 22 and 23, you are going to get the 2 years, that is 24 months of shelf life. This product is like blueheaven. All products are manufactured in India, that is made in India, and it is not tested on animals. These are the basic details, and it is like how to use. They have given you gently comb through your brow hair with the spoolie while filling the gaps for a naturally defined eyebrow. Before and after they have given you. They have shown you over here. So that is basically the outer covering. Now when you just open, I'll show you exactly here your product comes. So this is the product, this is the place where product comes. Now we'll talk about the inner packaging of the product. This is the inner packaging. You can see it is a pink tube. The prominent blueheaven and range product packaging. It says blueheaven sculpt and set brow gel with vitamin B5, beeswax and fibers. This is what the given on the front side. When you check on exactly the back side, please don't mind my nails. I have to shape them and I have to color them, so please don't mind. Right now I don't have time because my son's exams are going on, and that is why you can see my eyeliner and mascara is also a little bit messed up, just because I'm in a hurry. I just wanted to be with him the whole time. Okay, and the shade which you have got is given over here. It says brown, right? Now when you check the detail, they say the MRP, the manufacturing and the expiry. So if you want to throw away this packaging, you can easily, it says each and every detail, you can just keep this and you are good to go. But this is a sticker. Suppose if you have both the shades, then if the sticker is gone, then you may be in a problem. Now I'll just show you how the product looks. This is the spoolie of the eyebrow. Now what I'll do is I'll just apply a little bit over here, I'm not sure, and after drying this, you can see this is the swatch, hand swatch. Now what we will do, we will just move towards the demo of the product. Now what we will do, we will just apply the eyebrow gel on one part of my eyebrow, that is on one side of the eyebrow, and on the other eyebrow I will not apply, so that you will come to know what is the difference. So now I'm just taking the spoolie, I'm just removing the excess product because I'm not sure how it will work. So this is just the product and I'm trying to fill in my eyebrows. Yes. Now one eyebrow is already done. I'll just come little bit close by. Can you see? This is the done eyebrow part. This is the done and this is not done. Can you check the difference in both the eyebrows? Yes, I can definitely say this eyebrow gel is very user friendly. Even a beginner can use this. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, I'll do the other part and then I'll show you. I've already swatched this and it is like almost 2-3 minutes have already passed. So we will check whether it is water resistant. This swatch is water resistant or no, we will check that, right? So now I'll just do the second eyebrow and I'll be right back. Yes, now you all can see both the eyebrows are done. Only one thing you need to keep in mind while taking out the product from the tube, just scoop out the excess product, otherwise you may go little overboard, which I have done I guess on this eyebrow. I'm not sure how it looks on the camera, but I personally feel I have gone little bit overboard because I don't like such dark stark brows, but that's okay. Just for the video I can do anything. Right now there are 2-3 points which I wanted to just tell you. This is blueheaven, Indian brand, 40 years old brand, not tested on animals, 250 rupees, 8 gram of product you are getting, as well as on discounts and all. This goes on very good price, so definitely check out that. And blueheaven particular products I will suggest you can buy from Purple. Not at all sponsored video, I have got everything by my own money, but just I have got good deals, so even I can suggest you can go ahead and you can buy it from Purple. They have very good discounts and offers on especially blueheaven, so you can go ahead and you can check. Now before moving ahead with the water resistant part, I just would like to tell you my lipstick. It is from Maybelline Intense Color Show Crayon. It is in the shade Bold Burgundy M406. This is the shade what I'm having right now on my lips because I do get lot of questions for that. So this is the lipstick detail. Now this is already dried, but before moving with the water resistant part, let me just touch my eyebrows and let me see whether it feels crunchy or it feels normal. No, it feels very normal, and you can see it is not at all transferring on my hand also. So yes, it is dried out properly, and it is not feeling like as if I have applied some gel like glue. It doesn't feel like that way. Right now we will check. They say this is water resistant. They never claim this is waterproof. There is a difference. So we will just check what is whether it is water resistant or no. This is the swatch what I had done. Now I'll just spray a little bit water. Now you can see the water is dripping out down, but it is clear. So it means it is water resistant. Just for our knowledge, we will check waterproof test also. No, this is not waterproof. Okay, so definitely you can say this is water resistant, not waterproof. And in and all, if you ask me my final thought, then I will suggest you can definitely go ahead and buy this product. As I told you earlier also, very good price point, 8 grams of product. Yes, there are a lot of other brow products available in the market. Lot of good companies have this, but blueheaven affordable. First and foremost thing is affordable, as well as you are going to get a good quantity, 8 grams. So definitely my experience with this product is very good. If at all you also want to go ahead, you can go ahead and you can buy this. I have good experience with this. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. But before moving, before ending, I will just like to request you all, please give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel, because I do see lot of people coming, watching my videos and they never like the video. Please don't do it. Your one like will not cost you anything, but it will encourage me to make more such hundreds, maybe thousands video, because y'all know I get everything by my own money. And now in detail I don't want to go about the monetary part and all, so that's a separate issue. So please go ahead and like the video. Also share the video with your friends and family. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.